You know the theme tune to Dad's Army, don't you? You're a bit young, aren't you, Alan? Is he too young for that? You watch the reruns, don't you? The original. Some of us watched it the first time round. A little nipper, just turning 15. Right. Do you know the words to Dad's Army? Yes, good. So he's going to join in. Right, the first time we'll hear how he sings. So do join in. We're going to have a little bit of fun now. We're going to sing the theme tune to Dad's Army. We're going to join in. Who do you think